The Laifen Wave comes with 3 preset modes, which can be selected according to your brushing needs. If you have sensitive teeth and gums, we recommend using the first mode. You can also use the Laifen app to adjust the modes. To do so, open the app and register a Laifen account using your email address. Tap the plus symbol and then tap Next. Wake up the toothbrush from sleep mode and pair the toothbrush with the app via Bluetooth. Then, save your toothbrush information and enter the app interface. You can select a mode from the mode selection bar on the bottom. The mode can be adjusted across 3 settings: vibration strength, oscillation range, and oscillation speed, each with 10 levels. We recommend adjusting the modes during brushing as the wave can synchronize and save your changes in real time. Of course, you can also make changes while the toothbrush is idle. The Laifen app also has other great features. Toggling high-frequency mode will give you access to higher levels of vibration strength. You can also toggle the flight mode, the 30-second reminder to change brushing area, and change the brushing duration in between 1 and 5 minutes. And that's everything you need to know about the Laifen Wave.